What's going on, guys? I'm going to bring something a little bit different to the channel today. So a lot of you have probably been wondering what happened to all of my jet ski content. You know, originally I posted my Tigercraft M1 for sale, and I was going to do some, different jet ski videos and whatnot. Well, the sad news is that I actually blew up my competition motor, and so I have been off the ski for quite some time now, which has been pretty big bummer. But so I have a sick new motor right on my workbench at home that I'm currently assembling. I am almost done with that, and that's going to be going in my Lee Stone Products Revolver XL for the time being until my new hull comes. That's going to be my full bun build. So my point is I'll be getting a lot more jet ski content to the channel, which is going to be really exciting, especially with that new motor inbound. So without further ado, I know you guys didn't come here to listen to why I haven't been making jet ski videos, but let's talk about the Kawasaki JETMATE. So the Kawasaki JETMATE, I think, is one of the sickest jet skis ever made, aside from freestyle skis and the Kawasaki SC Sport Cruiser, or otherwise known as the Super Chicken. But in my opinion, the JETMATE is arguably cooler because of the joystick drive. Check this out. The joystick drive is so unique. It's like a fighter jet almost, and this seat can actually go forward and back like such, and so you can put two people there and 2 or 3 people in the back, which is actually pretty sick. So on this JETMATE, you clearly have full hydro turf on the inside, redone the upholstery, and we've got actually some LED lighting around the side there. We have no modifications on the rear. It does have actually a bimini tent attachment to it, which is really unique. Super fun. This is just a little cover here that we use for it. But these railings actually were welded on aftermarket. You can see welds could be cleaned up a little bit, but super helpful for when you're leaning side to side, hanging out the side right here. You can grab onto this railing so you're not flying out. Now this JETMATE is different than most. Most of the JETMATEs are powered by the Kawasaki twin-cylinder 2-stroke 650 motor out of the 650 SX or the 650 TS sit-down Kawasaki jet skis. And so this particular JETMATE actually had that 650 removed and has a little heart transplant. Show y'all what it is. Those of you that know jet skis know that this green motor instantly will tell you that this is not a 650. 650s never came with this green color. It's actually more of a teal. The 650 only came in silver and black. Some of them even had a little red head. But anyways, the 750 came in teal. And you'll actually notice that this is also a dual carb. So this is a dual carb, big pin 750. And this actually has a full engine swap. You can see that we still use the 650 exhaust, but the e-box has been relocated up in there, and this puppy absolutely rips. So show you guys how it starts up. This is one of my favorite parts. We got to turn on the power right here, have it modified. This is actually the bilge still, but we don't need that right now. If we do need the ignition, give it a prime, come up here. You can see it runs really good. Ordered a new hooker prop for it that we're going to put in, but haven't put it in just yet. So for now, I think it's the stock 650 pump with the stock JETMATE pump, I guess, with the stock prop. So we're going to be putting that hooker in there. Should help with the more power of the 750 so that it doesn't spin. Now let's take y'all for a ride. This is the sickest part. Driving this thing is absolutely sick. So you sit down, you grab the joystick, you push that black button, you fire it up, and then yeah, really just hit the throttle and steer with the joystick. So just like, honestly like a video game. It's super sick. Like I said, black button, little gas, fires right up. So the cool thing about the JETMATE, in addition to obviously everything else that's super sick about it, I love this thing if you can't tell, is you can actually put it in reverse, shifter. Now we're in reverse. Gonna pick up Randy, go for a ride. gotta let it warm up a little. July weekend, it's crazy. Mayhem, but nothing more American than a JETMATE.
No, I want to do a video, bro.
How it's never ran better, huh?
Oh my gosh.
It's absolutely ripping. I mean, just listen to it. Sounds great. Got her tuned in good.
All right, I'm ready.
What happened? No, I want to interview you.
I'm doing this.
You'll get your turn. So we ran out of gas. We were ripping too hard, right?
Oh yeah.
Full throttle for just the whole lake, and here we are. All out. Our knight in shining armor. Man, with the mixed gas too. Unreal.
Yeah, baby. Now we're back.
Yeah.